Okay, I have a previous video where I rebuilt a well pump and irrigation pump house that's right next to this tank. But when I was doing it, I looked all over the internet on what to do or how to recoat one of these tanks, and I really couldn't find anything. And so ultimately what I ended up doing is using Henry's roof coating, and it worked really well, and it's still holding up fine. So I thought I'd make a quick video showing that, how it went on and how it looks, and in case you have a tank like this and you're in the same situation. I got some Henry's Dura-Bright white roof coating. I'm gonna give that a shot. The stuff goes on thick. It's almost like Elmer's glue. But one thing that I found is that it really spreads far. How can you put it? It goes a long way. I ended up doing 2 coats because it just kind of bled through. But it spreads pretty easy, and just use a roller. When you're finished, wrap it up in cellophane, and you can keep reusing it. See, like I did there, you keep using it over and over. See if this worked. It's been wrapped up for like a week. So the old wrapping it in saran wrap trick seems to work. If it fills the tank up, it just pours out the top, but I went and sealed that up and put this hose or this pipe, so instead of dumping water down the front of the tank and back in here, it'll push it out here, and then so it won't erode under the tank and everything. But it's really seems to be a pretty strong coating, and it's very adhesive, and it's really, I think it's the best thing I could have done. It seems better than paint, I'll put it that way. It feels like it's just going to give it more protection instead of just covering it up. It's really hard to explain, but I think this is the way to go. You can see down there I need to touch it up a little bit with the bottom where it was kind of peeling back. Just my wife did some, and I just like filled it up with this Henry's to fill in the gaps and try to reseal it, but it's holding up very well. And I don't know what else to say. I mean, this seems just like the way to go. So if your tank is peeling and you're not sure what to do, I would definitely give this a shot. It worked really good for me, and I'm very happy with it. So hope this helps. See ya. Are you gonna kill it or what? Whoa, 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 don't run off. It's coming after me.